What's popping, my LillyPops? Thanks so much for tuning into my channel. You all know that on this channel I make inexpensive DIYs to care for natural hair. Caring meaning way more than growing in terms of length. It's overall maintaining the health of this hair. And today we are making a DIY moisturizing shampoo and an amazing hydration hair mask. My LillyPops pop off. We're starting off with 1 cup of boiling water, and we're going to go ahead and add rosemary to that water. Rosemary does an excellent job of actually opening up the hair cuticles to make sure that you can receive moisture, and does a great job with scalp health as well. So I'm going to add in the rosemary leaves to the water to allow them to infuse. That second ingredient is dried hibiscus flowers. I actually got this from Amazon. Hibiscus has amino acids, which is great for promoting growth on your hair follicles. And so we're going to allow the rosemary and the hibiscus to infuse with the water, give that a good stir, get everything going, and I'm going to let that sit for a bit and then go ahead and cut an aloe leaf, because we're adding a bit of aloe vera gel to this because aloe vera is extremely moisturizing for natural hair. Stir those up and let this sit for 15 minutes to cool. Then go ahead and drain this mixture, and you all will see the good stuff that you want to make sure does not get into the actual mixture itself. And then that's when we're going to go ahead and grab our black soap. So this black soap, either you can have raw or another soap that is not the harsh hand soap, just a raw, unrefined soap. You can get it in a bar or however you want to get it, and add that to the mixture. And this will be the color of your mixture once you add those things in. As you begin to stir, you will see that mixture start to lighten up and head into a purplish color, and that is extremely fine. After you've shampooed and rinsed that out, we're going into our hydration mask, and yes, we're using bananas. Bananas are rich in a mineral called silica, which does a great job of making your hair stronger, and it adds moisture as well. So you're going to cut that banana up into smaller pieces, and after you cut that up, that's when we're going on to getting a cup of plain low-fat yogurt. Plain yogurt does an excellent job with minimizing frizz and is the foundation of the majority of my hair mask. If you don't feel comfortable using yogurt, you can definitely use one of your favorite deep conditioners to create this mask as well. Once we add the yogurt to our blending cup, we're going to put the bananas in on top of that, and then we're moving on to the ingredient that holds DIYs together and also helps with minimizing frizz, and that is wild and raw honey. I keep my honey in the fridge, so it's a bit hard to get out. Trust me, it's not spoiled or anything. I just got in there with a fork to get everything out. And once I have this in the blending cup, I'm actually going to add jojoba oil to this mixture. Jojoba oil is a penetrating oil that actually gets into the hair strands and does a great job with moisturizing hair as well. So it's the oil of my choice. Then we're going to blend. This is an extremely important step. You need to drain the mixture because banana has these small particles that you do not want in your hair. I've rinsed out the strainer so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about will be left behind if you do not strain. So these little specks here will be left in your hair if you do not strain it. So these will be the little balls that you feel. So to mitigate that, just use a strainer. You can use a kitchen strainer. I got this more recently. You guys know before I was stocking shorty, or you could use a stocking, but this is just way cleaner. Then we're going to apply our hydration mask to our freshly washed hair. So I cut a hole in the top of my applicator bottle. I don't know if y'all can see, this is the hair that I'm getting. I haven't detangled yet, so I would definitely say that my hair loss has already started slowing down. Wow, I spoke too soon. Okay, I got this as well. But my hair loss has definitely started slowing down, and I'm only 2 treatments in to that green tea rinse. While we're letting this sink in, just wanted to come to you all quickly and show how much of the banana and honey hydration treatment we have left. So it's a little less than half. You guys saw the density of my hair, how much hair that I have. So you can make amendments to the ingredients based on your volume of hair. So we have this much left, and I will not be preserving it for a second use, but in the event that you want to, you definitely can by following one of these 2 steps. The first one is you can blend down aloe vera gel and add that to this mixture. That helps with preservation. Then you just pop it in the refrigerator or the freezer, whatever your preference is. It works for either or. Or the second option is to create rosemary extract, where you take a 1/4 cup of boiling water and then add some raw rosemary leaves to that boiling water, let them infuse for about 15 minutes, and then go ahead and pop that extract into hair, and that also helps with preservation. So trust me, if you want to keep this for like your next week's wash day, or even 2 weeks down the road, or if you want to push it to 3 weeks down the road, you can definitely do that. The hair mask has my hair feeling extremely great. My curls are defined. I'm just loving how my hair feels. I can feel that it's strengthened and moisturized. And I'm going into protective styling. So I'm just parting my hair. I allowed my hair to dry for a bit. So it's damp but not soaking wet, as you can see. And I'm going into doing some individual box braids within my hair to just finish out with, you know, protective styling, since it is the colder months, to keep my hair protected. My LillyPops pop off.